Check out our new license plate frame. Frequently asked questions, 600 horsepower, 0 to 60, 2.9 seconds, and 191 miles per hour. What do you guys think? I know it's kind of douchey, but I also think it's awesome. Well, first off, when you're behind a car, most people are curious, especially since mine is D-badged, and you've got NSX, so that kind of gives you what it is. But a lot of times people are like, how fast is your car? Well, 600 horsepower. And other people are like, I wonder what's the 0 to 60? 2.9 seconds. And a common one is, how fast did this bad boy get to? 191 miles per hour. Now this is like a metal, and this is really good quality. So I went on Google and I had the idea and I typed it in and I came up to this website, and it's pretty neat because it has all types of options. Like you could change the font, you could put different coloring, you could do all kinds of stuff. But this was a pretty good deal. And not only that, when I was like hanging around, the website like thought that I wasn't gonna buy it. So it was like, don't leave, we'll give you an additional percentage off, which I used, which was pretty awesome. But that is our new license plate frame.